friends, I'm Mr. Marmalade, your Bowtie hosted cat. Today, 5 fun bird facts, Pixar style. Ready to chirp, swoop, and wow? Let's flap! Fun fact number 1, birds are living dinosaurs. Feathers emerged before flight, helping with warmth and showy displays. Every robin is a tiny, evolved dino cousin. Fun fact number 2, some birds nap mid-flight. Frigate birds use 1/2 of the brain at a time, gliding for hours while lightly snoozing in the sky. Fun fact number 3, hummingbirds fly backward and hover. Their wings can beat over 50 times per second, with heart rates soaring like tiny turbo engines. Fun fact number 4, Australia's lyrebird is a sound superstar, mimicking camera shutters, car alarms, and chainsaws. It copies the forest's soundtrack with jaw-dropping accuracy. Fun fact number 5, the Arctic tern migrates farther than any bird, up to 25,000 miles yearly, chasing summer light from pole to pole across the planet. Birds amaze at every turn. Follow for more nature nuggets and tell me your favorite feathered friend. This bow-tied cat is signing off. Keep curious.